All this adventure and stunt is sure to leave your speedometer dusty, scratched, and full of smudges. Now, you surely wouldn't want that for your adventure companion, do you? That's where the Spartan Shield Himalayan screen protector enters this adventurous episode. Rain or shine, dust or key scratches, the custom Spartan Shield's Himalayan 450 screen guard takes it all, leaving your screen protected. And it's as easy as cruising on an open highway. Before starting, make sure to check the small topside sticker on the protector alignment because the oval shape can make installation a bit tricky. Start by cleaning the display using the alcohol wipe provided in the kit to remove all dirt, fingerprints, and dust from your rides. Dry it gently with the microfiber cloth and then use the dust removal sticker to lift away any tiny particles for a flawless finish. Now carefully peel off the backing layer and hold the protector by the edges. Align the top sticker perfectly with the display before placing it down, as wrong placement can affect the adhesive. Once aligned, place the protector slowly, pressing from the center outward, and use the squeegee to push out any air bubbles. Finally, peel off the top film, and your Himalayan's display is now crystal clear, scratch resistant, and protected for every ride ahead.